media Q&A. And hi, Bhumi. Now that's a little intimidating for me.
Yeah, I have that effect on people.
I'm not denying that for sure. And my first question is for Rongita. And मेरा अगला सवाल जो है. Hello, Bhumi. No.
Ready?
Yes. For that, let me hold on. I'll just go a little like this. Yeah. Yeah. Better.
Better.
Yeah. Okay. And
Kirtana,
hello.
is this position okay?
यस मैम
Okay, now we can.
पर आप मैम से भी क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ना कि फिर से फिरकी लोगे आप
फिर किस बिल्कुल नहीं लूंगा.
बिल्कुल
She
thank
might
you.
just tackle you this time.
हाँ हाँ
No, मैं
मेरे पास आम पन्ना है
सौगंध खा के. Mommy. Okay.
know.
All right, Bhumi, my question is for you. You are truly the smart and stylish boss lady in the show. Now, this is a very women first show from creators, writers, and a legendary and talented cast. How does it feel to be a part of such a team of powerhouse women? Were you right here, and did that all push you to say yes for the role of Sophia?
You know, honestly, it was the script that pushed me to, that made me just jump on this idea. Like everybody on this table, I love. I am, the genre of rom-coms, romance, is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, आज कुछ नया rom-com आया है, हम क्या explore कर सकते हैं? I remember it was 2023 November, when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, you know, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. मुझे dengue था, मैं hospital में थी. And she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में Royals पढ़ना शुरू किया. Because I was like, it's a romance? That's so rare. That doesn't happen. And I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that, can I get another episode? एक और episode. कर करके मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी. And I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on. And I'm just very lucky that I got to play Sophia, because there are so many shades in her. You know, she's powerful, she is stubborn, but that's the most beautiful thing about her. She's just strong, and she is nurturing, and she is loving. And I feel like there's a lot of those little nuances and aspects that I've picked up from all these wonderful women that I shared space with while shooting. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.
Well, बुखार में shoot करना शुरू किया, definitely amped up the temperature, and you love love. We love you.
You most excited for the audience to watch, and obviously why?
Oh, that's a very tough one.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed what Sakshi ma'am's character, the transition, her arc, what she goes through, because it's so refreshing to see a woman kind of hold on to her identity, what she wants, her desires, her wants, her heart, you know. And I think for me, it's one of the most beautiful characters of the show. You know, I'm trying to not give away a lot. It's so tough. Okay, but I also feel what happens with Aviraj's character, Ishan's, is very sensitive. It's really beautiful.
Romance is a flavor. I think हमारी films, हमारी series very easily fold into larger story lines. अगर thrillers होते हैं तो उसमें romance होता है. अगर epics होते हैं तो उसमें romance होता है. तो romance is a part of Indian, art, Indian films, Indian series. But I think if you look at the trend that's been
Best for the Royals on Netflix that drops on the 9th of May. And also, you know, Majisa, Zinata Manji is not here. So let's cheer for her. Let's give a huge round of applause for Majisa and show her how much we love her. And also,
And also Nora.
also Nora
And Milind sir.
and Milind sir, and each
Many more.
and each and every character in front of the scene, behind the scene, each and every character for putting up. It takes a village to create something like this, right? So for the Royals, for the entire team, let's have a huge round of applause. And now, Without thirstily looking at Ishan, I would say कि मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगा आमिर खास हैं द रॉयल्स हमारे साथ है तो ये रॉयल हम्मा जो है वो कैप्चर करना तो बनता है सो मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि आप सब मंच पर आ जाए टू कैप्चर दिस ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट एंड इट्स